hydrocarbon is saturated and unsaturated. So from saturated hydrocarbon like alkane by free radical halogenation reaction in presence of different sunlight, diffuse sunlight, alkane react with chlorine to give mono, di, tri or polyhalo derivative of alkane. Mixture of isomeric mono, poly, mono, di, tri and polyhaloalkane. It is difficult to separate as pure compounds, so it is not preferred for preparation any individual alkyl halides. Reaction will stop when all hydrogen of alkane are substituted by halogen. Methane react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, diffuse sunlight, to give monomers of isomeric of haloalkane, mono, di, tri and tetrachloromethane. But from alkene have carbon-carbon double bond, unsaturation. So give addition with hydrogen halide and forms the haloalkane. Addition of hydrogen halide at the position of unsaturation, carbon-carbon double bond. One pi bonds breaks to two sigma bonds and hydrogen and halogen added with that sigma bonds. Ethene when react with HCl to form the chloroethane. But in case of propane or propyl chloride, followed the reaction or addition of the HX followed by the Marconi's rule. Two products, two iodoalkane and one iodoalkane, when propene or other alkene react with HCl, HBr or HI, the reactivity of HX followed by this size of halogens. Greater the size, higher will be reactivity. So 2-iodoalkane is the major product and 1-iodoalkane is the minor product according to Marconi's rule. Addition of halogen. When alkene react with halogen in presence of carbon tetrachloride, give dihalide. The addition of halogen to two adjacent carbon atoms, so this is called vicinal dihalide. Ethene react with bromine water in presence of carbon tetrachloride to give 1,2-dibromoethane. This reaction is also used for detection of presence of double bond because ethene gas pass through the bromine water. The reddish brown color of bromine water is disappeared. That indicates presence of double bond in the ethene. So this reaction is also used in detection of presence of double bond in given organic compounds. Next, by electrophilic substitution reaction. Aryl chloride or bromide can be easily prepared by this method when react arene or toluene with chlorine or bromine in presence of Lewis acid. Two products orthohalotoluene and parahalotoluene form. Parahalotoluene is the major product due to more symmetry. Ortho and para isomers can easily separated due to large difference in their melting point. Amen. Reactions with iodine are reversible in nature and require the presence of an oxidizing agent like nitric acid or HiO4 to oxidize the HI formed during iodination. Fluoro compounds are not prepared by this method due to high reactivity of fluorine. Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction is one of the most important methods for preparation of aryl halide. The primary aromatic amines treated with sodium nitrite in presence of acid, aqueous solution of acid, to give benzene diazonium halide salt. And benzene diazonium halide salt is heated in presence of cuprous halide to give the aryl halide by removal of diazonium group N2. This reaction is called Sandmeyer reaction. For iodobenzene, does not require the presence of cuprous halide and is done simply by shaking the diazonium salt with potassium iodide. Shaking with potassium iodide, benzene diazonium halide to give the iodobenzene, and N2 gas is evolved. So these are the preparatory method of alkyl and aryl halide. Some questions is given below in the form of homework. Reactant and reagent is given below and predict about the product. So complete this equation in this chapter.